Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. In today's video, I'll be preparing some delicious lamb ribs. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. I really do enjoy lamb ribs. I didn't like it before because I thought it had too much fat and I didn't like that. But I have found a way in which I can prepare it to get rid of all that fat and enjoy it just like any other rib. If you'd like to see me do that, then continue watching. Now in my pan I have some lamb ribs. You can see them. Nice pieces. But the lamb tends to be a bit fatty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil it first. Now, to boil the lamb or the rib, I'll be using some ginger, pimento berries. I'll be using a small onion and a generous amount of garlic, some bay leaves, and a stock cube. Now, I'm going to boil it in order to release some of the fat within the meat before I roast it. Now, to a pot of hot water, we're going to season it. We're going to add some salt. This is my salt, but you add salt. This is a all-purpose that is mostly salt. And I'm going to add the spices that I showed you, all of it, just dunking it in. And to this, I'm just going to add a tablespoon of green seasoning. Now I'm going to put a stock cube in and then add my pieces of meat. We're going to boil this for 45 minutes on medium. Then we turn off and let it cool. Now you may add some pepper at this point, but because I'm going to season after with some jerk seasoning, I'm not adding it at this point. Now after 45 minutes, I allowed it to cool. Now I'm going to remove it from the pot and get ready for seasoning. They're partially cooked. The rest, I'll finish it in the oven. Now what is left is a lovely stock for soup or maybe for rice. Now to season, you can use whatever season you have, because I'm going to use it and put it in the oven. And in my bowl I have a tablespoon of Jamaican jerk seasoning, some smoked paprika, some mixed herb, then some savory herb, a little black pepper and some garlic powder. And to this I'm going to add a teaspoon of onion powder. Season your meat generously and make sure you rub it in. Now I didn't add salt because I boiled it with salt, but if your seasoning has salt, don't boil it with salt. Place your meat on a non-stick tray, and in my case, I use grease paper. Now if you're going to use barbecue sauce, to line your tray properly because it can get sticky and spoil your tray. Now place this in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now it's time for glazing. It is actually done and we can have it like this, but I want to use a barbecue glaze and I'm going to put it back for 5 minutes. So I'm just removing the pieces to my barbecue in the bowl. I just pour it in the bowl. Any barbecue you can use or any glaze you want, and coat it and put them back for 5 minutes. If you notice, there's no oil because we boiled it, so it gets rid of all the fat and the oil. Now we put it back in for 5 minutes. Remember, watch it because you don't want it to burn. 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you're left with a beautiful plate of juicy, tender, sticky barbecue ribs. Delicious. These finger licking ribs are also perfect for your outside barbecue. Any party, any gathering. Now, if you're someone who doesn't like lamb or you've had it before and disliked it, try it this way and let me know what you think. My son loves it now. He didn't before. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.